Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use credit cards as your everyday guide. Let's start by understanding what a credit card is and how to get one. A credit card provides a revolving line of credit, letting you borrow money up to a set limit. When applying, lenders assess your creditworthiness, considering factors like income and existing debt. Once approved, you'll receive a card with a specific credit limit, which is the maximum amount you can charge. Responsible usage is key to building good credit. Always aim to pay your entire balance by the due date to avoid interest charges, which can be significant, often ranging from 15 to 25% annually. If you can't pay in full, make at least the minimum payment to prevent late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. Keeping your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%, also helps your score. Credit cards offer more than just purchasing power. They come with valuable rewards and benefits. Many cards provide cash back, travel points, or airline miles, allowing you to save money or enjoy perks. Look for cards that align with your spending habits to maximize these rewards. Additionally, many cards include purchase protection, extended warranties, and even travel insurance, adding an extra layer of security and value to your everyday purchases. While credit cards offer convenience, it's crucial to avoid common pitfalls. Overspending is a major trap. Only charge what you can comfortably afford to pay back. Carrying a high balance incurs significant interest and can negatively impact your credit score. Be cautious with cash advances, as they often come with high fees and immediate interest accrual. Always protect your card details and monitor your statements to prevent fraud, ensuring your financial security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.